Hello, friends. Hope all of you are doing good. This is our second day in Dubai, and to perform our Friday Salah, we headed towards the Jumerain Mosque. This is a very famous mosque, and it's open to all the non-Muslims. They have very famous program called Open Door, Open Mind, which takes place here. This mosque is very beautiful, and I prayed in a women's section, which is separate from the men's section. I will mention the mosque visiting hours and the charges for the program in the description box. Do check it out. And for the lunch, we visited this restaurant which is right opposite to the Jumeirah Mosque, which is called Zamzam, to try their very famous mandi. And I've heard some of the famous celebrities come to this restaurant to try their mandi, and we really enjoyed our food. I have been waiting to visit to our next destination. I guess everyone who comes to Dubai, they will definitely make sure to visit Bruj Khalifa. Pause and check what's written on your ticket. On my ticket, it said it was inspired by Spider Lily. It's a huge crowd and waiting to watch sunset. And as we are walking towards the lift, on the screens you can see the highlights of the construction from the time it started in 2005 to 2009 until its completion. This is LED construction display of Burj and some model displays. Numbers displaying on the lift is a real-time feed in which floor is the lift is. We can reach at the top just in 1 minute. It's right to say I'm on top of the world right now. We can see mostly the entire Dubai, downtown palace, and of course Dubai Mall, financial center, and many more buildings. A minute back I was down there and now I'm here. My ride was just amazing. World's fastest lift in the world's tallest building. I just felt like a tiny ant in front of all these tall buildings and some of the amazing buildings which are registered in Guinness record. I just sat there watching this beauty. We ended our day with some nice dinner at PF Chang's. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.